Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The
Bling line.
Bling bling.
Hello?
What color is that lipstick, my darling?
Which lipstick, sir?
The lipstick that you've got on that's going over the edges of your mouth.
How do you know I have lipstick on? Do you have a video? What's happening?
Yes.
What?
Don't you know that there by your work it's like a radio station? The cameras.
You never told us.
So, what color is that lipstick?
It's nude.
Nude.
Which one?
Njani unude bomvu? Nude onje.
Chummy, nude for darkies and nude for white people is not the same thing, eh? This is nude in my world.
Unje when?
Ew.
Unje xa unje.
I'm feeling very uncomfortable with this conversation right now. Thanks.
Okay, just give me my airtime, then let me move on.
Yeah, okay, there you go.
Because clearly someone
okay,
wants.
Thanks.
Welcome to it, guys. You know what it is. Tamzupela, tamzwidire, tamzwaiko.
And me, Talita.
Yeah, 100%. Oh, okay. This week we tell you.
Hey, which one? Yeah, chaman this week I not lendo's means.
Oh, and uthetha ukwenza ube shushu.
Which one yami yazi mas.
Oh, fair game. Okay. Cool. Let's get straight into it. Rumor has it.
Okay.
But I could comment this week.
It was very difficult for me to choose just 20 comments.
Really?
Yeah, because this was the marathon episode.
Oh, we're already there.
Yeah, bro. We've
okay.
And excuse me. And there was just so many dope things that were said. And I was like, you know what? 24 it is.
24.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool. Perfect. 100%.
Okay. Let's get it started. You can go.
Abo_MND Uti. I can say I'm the first in my bloodline to watch Orlando Pirates live at Orlando Stadium for 15 games straight. What? Andy Patalo. It's personal development.
First in your bloodline, my boy. Because he's telling you about Sipatala and he's telling you about it's for personal development.
Imagine, and 7 whole people liked that comment.
Yes.
You know what? I'll take it.
Yes, you have to take
Fair
it.
game.
You know what was my favorite thing about this thing was that this comment was that in our episode we'd said be the first in your bloodline to do something, and it can be anything.
Yeah.
And I love like the anythingness of this.
For
it's
sure.
like, yes, you are the first. No one can take that away from you.
I up the box, Pura. You know the story. Even though it's like a box. Down. Shout out, bro. Thank you so much for that comment.
It's really not that expensive to watch a game.
15 games straight. I love that, bro.
Mbane. You also the first in your bloodline to inspire siblings from all walks of life. When Talita. Oh,
thank you, Yoli.
Half. And it's not the Yoli you always talk about.
For sure. Thank you for that, man. Inspire siblings from all walks of life. I think that's another thing, right? Is that it's siblings, but also just to think of this thing as unitayo, and we're all so different, bro.
Yes.
We're all so different. So much. When I look at like analytics and I look at ages and I look at regions and I'm just like, yeah, man. And we converge up, and then we're just like, oh, Savannah and Gumandi. I think that's incredible,
Absolutely.
man. I think that's completely incredible. So shout out to you guys, man.
For sure. And shout out to us.
Yeah, no, for sure. Shout out to you, my legs.
Sure, Lamino Laka. What does that even mean?
I have no idea.
All right, let us know if you know. We'll over to you, get chance.
Basa yazi lapha isitho Dlamini mfondini.
Kaloku bakhona abanye oDlamini ababukeleyo yabo.
Utheni into ongazaziyo wena phela.
Chomi.
Okay, sorry.
Thanks, Yoli.
Sipokuhle Gqokoma. Uthi first in my bloodline to teach robotics. What? And coding.
Wow,
Masambe.
Pams, bro. To teach it. Kaskundifundisa na.
Yo. Robotics and coding. Oh, you know what we did like robotics
Also,
and
yes.
coding?
When did you learn it for about
That's wild. That's really cool.
Yeah,
that is super, super, super cool, man.
Well done, dude. Well done.
Shout out.
Uti Pops Beke Zulu. First in my bloodline to complete 2 marathons. Especially first of Africa's major
let's go.
2-time marathon finisher.
Let's go.
Kodwa ke i-comrade cha mfethu ngehlise ngiyozama abanye.
That's what I wanted to see.
No. Congratulations, Damzupela, on completing your comrade.
Shout out. Thank you so much, Pops.
I feel like all we're doing is being the first in our bloodlines, which we should be also.
Fair.
Because if we're not doing things that haven't been done before by abantu who came before us, then sizothina.
Exactly. Sizo masixhume kwe trampoline esizalelwe kuzo bafethu. You know what I mean? Because at the end of the day, whoever came before us made trampoline for it. So we do need to do bigger and better things. And I'm pretty sure that's what they wanted to see of us, right? That's what our parents want to see of us. That's what the people, that have paved the way want to see of us. So shout out. Half on ulile for 2 marathons. Vegile. You are a fighter.
Kunzima ubaleka ne-2 kilometers.
Uyabona ke kukho abantu abazawu emhlabeni thuthwini umuntu angazange ne-21 unobiza amagama. But ke shout out to you. Umuntu makangatyeki because ke you understand? But
Andijeki, I'm just saying, like, you're talking to so many people, like, sideways.
yeah, I know.
Because so many people are by 21.
Okay.
Goku, why are you talking to them?
But 10, yabo man.
This is the way in which you are saying. We can't all do the same things. Ukhona abanye abangasoze bayazi noba i-robotics iqalwa phi ke sis. Don't worry about it. I'm just speaking on behalf abanye abantu abazuyibaleka 21.
Abanyazela kama mayibaleke.
Kathetha kakuhle lokho.
Yeah, uxolweni guys ke. So kukho abantu abangasoze bayibaleke i-21.
Oh, you're so annoying. Okay, fine. Let's move on. As Pops makes us fast.
Undoxy K uti first to graduate, first passport holder, visa. Yo.
First passport holder, first to get a visa, first to take
a flight, first to get out of the country, to be in my 30s and child free. Oh, Sana, what a bleezy. What a blessing.
That is so
I was crazy. Bazothina balandelayo. Phofa beka balandelayo because here you are, child free.
But you know, when I read this, I was like, you're the first to be in your 30s and child free. That's crazy news.
Yeah. Fandini, ziyenzeka izinto. Yeah, I can believe that.
That's so many firsts. You know what I think everyone should do? Pang December, xa uhleli family yakho kumani ni Brian, no. Umuntu azixele ba uyi-first yokwenzani ikwi-bloodline yakhe efamilini.
Fandini, bafakela i-pressure fandini abantu.
No, because where's the pressure? First to get a passport. Where's the pressure?
What do you mean?
You're the first to do something for sure. Noba indoni.
And I suppose you just
any pressure we has fakela, because if you're thinking of first as in first to go to the moon, then obviously there's pressure.
But isn't it difficult
for a first?
Yeah.
A first is a first.
The first yako wayibhala wena. Comments. Wena in your bloodline.
No.
Yini kaloku yakho? That's practice. Masibabone sibasa kwenza njani. Oh, ayike mazizi siyavuyisa basihleli sonke apha lo December unyaka obomde esibulela ukugcinwa. So ingakho sidlale igame.
I'm listening.
uPuthalita kaloku amakodisa makabambeki natsoke nangu lapha erumini phoxekalo khona Thalita this time so ke sithetha ngefest ndifuna sithetha ngefest ke bazali bam ubam na for example like umzekelo ndiyabukela mo special wena benikhe ndatsho mna ukuba I'm the first in my bloodline mnogqiba comrades so gaske sidlale sichazelane ke ngoku you understand Thalita khawutsho wena
I'm the first to be an actress appearing on TV in my bloodline.
Russia. And then?
First to have a podcast with my brother.
Kapinde.
First to be a voiceover artist.
Fair. You know what? You know what? You can be, there's a lot of firsts.
Thank you, that's what I'm saying.
No, fair. Ifele we
Exactly.
You can be born in action fundini.
You can't think of a first as in I invented you drug it to cure cancer. No, it can be anything.
Sure.
Yeah.
No, 100%. Thank you for bringing it down to my level of thinking.
Sure. What's you, Miss Asang Muni? This year, I became the first one in my bloodline to graduate from university.
Russia.
Beginning of the year, I thought it wasn't that big of a deal because of how long it took me. But then my aunts and cousins kept telling me about it's a huge achievement because I'll also be the first CA at home and keeping the family name up high. Look at you, girl. Look at you, girl.
Bingekho enough leyo graduate. Ngiwanelanga. Waqala maKalvin bathi.
Jesus.
Yeah, no, nice one. That's beautiful. I'm so glad that your aunts and cousins did keep beleqeka apha emva kwakho nyani to just be like, yo mchana ziyakhala on a serious note.
100%. And I feel like we don't make big deals out of things anymore, but we're constantly doing things that our ancestors couldn't have even thought of, you know? And celebrate yourself, man. It's a cool thing to do.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Shout out and thank you for mentioning it. And, you know, myself, as you can see up there, as well as 120 others, really resonated with this comment and we liked it.
I can't believe I didn't even see that.
Lisa Nzuzo would say to graduate, chasing NQF 9 as it is. Yay! Niyagqiba NQF. Uphela kubani NQF?
Yintoni NQF?
It's like a standard, it's a qualification standard.
Of what? Anything?
What do you mean of anything?
Of what? Like electrical engineer? Of what?
So it's the standard of something.
Oh.
So we call it NQF, whatever, NQF 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in this power, hey, ngizawuvela bani nayo NQF. Yeah.
International qualification.
Yeah, forum. Yeah.
Wait.
Kan isichazela. I love it is. Oh, come on. Please be forum. Please be forum.
Okay, let's move on to
forum.
the next one.
Yeah. So shout out to you. Nicely done. Also, just put in what's NQF 9, bro.
NQF 9.
Yeah. Let's go to the next one while you're still looking there.
Okay. An NQF 9 qualification is a master's degree in the South African education system.
Yeah.
Oh.
Nice.
It's
yeah, for humbly. For those who know, that's another thing.
Yeah, so, but what about us who don't know?
But it wasn't for you. It wasn't for us. Like comment.
It sits just above an honors degree or postgraduate diploma, NQF level 8. And directly below a doctorate or PhD, which is NQF level 10.
Yintoni NQF kaloku? Siya apha siyofuna NQF.
What does it
singayofuna ba sasazi wethu i-masters bazifola phi, understand?
What does it stand for? Okay. Next
Let's
one.
go to the next comment. Uti, I am the first to run 10-kilometer challenge. I'm the first who did electrical engineering and the first to go overseas. Yay!
Look how different all three of us.
Yeah, they're so dope, bro. Yeah. That's really, really cool, man.
So,
Kutwani like a family in Los Angeles. Like abantu bathini response xa usenze izinto. I think that's so cool, man.
I don't know. I don't think people think of it as first. So it's like, you graduated, well done, yay!
Right. And we also don't think of them as first, which is why we don't make big deals of them.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Wow. It's really cool, man. I think this was a really cool thing to get to think about that. Yeah,
for sure.
I think that was fantastic.
NQF stands for National Qualifications Framework.
Framework. Benifuna ukuthi framework, man. Just the frame.
Forum.
The forum. Yeah, okay, cool. Perfect.
Okay. Precious Uti, thank you, Putsuko, for sharing your journey. I'm so inspired to start running. I want to be the first one in my bloodline to complete Hyrox this year in November.
Let's go, my precious.
Woo, my precious.
Let's go.
We'll see you there. We'll be there, sweetheart.
Rocking. So tenga la matikiti o supporter. It's a supporter, ne?
What do you mean?
So kwenza.
Hi, boy.
Turuma na Hyrox, man.
Compared to?
Imali?
1.5.
Yeah, ibona ilondo le.
1 point something.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Kathleen Jimilo. In these squats. Wow.
Kaloko Fondini, look at it this way. Abone zamali that you would be using to enter those races to qualify for your conference the next day.
I'm still going to the races. But I'm running 21s. But I'm still going to Hlukana Mali.
You're not going to all of them.
I mean, I'm going to most of them.
Okay, and the ones you're not
still
going
running,
to,
mate.
1.5, man.
Okay, sorry. Shout out. We'll see you on the start line, yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
So Tino was taking outfitters for my own.
So we're gonna run as a group.
Congratulations, Putizuko. This episode had me in different kinds of emotions. You are such a believer, and I admire your resilience. No one deserves this more than you.
No one.
I believe I can do hard things through you. Come on. I started taking walks because I was inspired by you and the people you had on your show, Idiani on the Run, which is making a strong comeback. Bye. You are amazing and God bless you. Thank you so much. Sistali, thank you for always showing up and supporting Upudzuko and Yanitanda. And Ngosi Aseza, thank you so much. That's such a beautiful comment.
It is.
Shout out. Thank you for seeing me. And I'm so glad, that me sharing my story has got this kind of impact on other people. I think a lot of the time we tend to but normal kuti land basically first, but you just graduated or whatever. And we don't realize the impact that we can have on other people and other people's lives by sharing our stories. And also by if we have got the platform to also use that to share other people's stories. So shout out, man. I'm so glad.
Well done. Yeah, Walker. I love that. I love that. The stories of how people, the why of the people that you have on your show that run has inspired someone to start doing something.
For sure.
That's amazing. And I think that's the cool part of that podcast specifically is the why.
Yeah.
Because running is running, fine. So one foot in front of the other, but the human story behind it is awesome.
Big facts.
Yeah.
No, 100%. Thank you, Aseza.
Uti Wanetemba Mafanga finally gathered the courage to post, all right. Jonga Tamzwai, first, well done on conquering the ultimate human race.
Salute.
A finisher myself, I know what it takes to run that race.
Asha.
Wenata Lily, well done on a successful seconding. Hats off to Coach Sam, definitely. We need an episode of Itiana on a Run with him, Talita, Zuko, and Yoli, please. Lastly, I want to hear the stories of Cinderella.
This is the story of Cinderella.
Kaloku busibalisele stories ka Cinderella puti.
Ban.
Wena?
Banusi. Busi.
Me and your seconders, and when we were in Durban, you were telling us about Cinderella and what the real story was about. Tatake be wa chata umama wa chata stepmother ka Cinderella.
Kaloku. Oh, ayikhona uNethemba naye.
Chuma engekho.
Since you understand you.
I posted you telling the story.
Oh, inendandibalisa in our own private space. Because yonke into othalita nefuneka ibeke social media.
Yonke into.
Andiyabuza.
Not yonke into.
Oh, salibalisa kwakho ke labali.
I love
ke sisi ke mna. Shout out champ. Umntu uyarikholwa apha ethetha.
Just one time.
Okay.
It was a cool story.
Okay, khawungene. Iza. Sizawukwenza ii-pranks ke ngoku. Kaloku, if you can record me. Into.
There goes our relationship, mate.
Talita, no, take responsibility for what you've done.
Okay.
Shout out Anatemba, shout out Champ. You've done it before. Are you doing it again? That's a question. And also, I'd love to know why you're doing it, man. Kaongene, man, pocket DMs, man. Ubese showing, man.
Yes.
Yeah, I'd love that. I'd love
Get on
that.
each and on the right.
Absolutely. But yeah, shout out, and definitely shout out to everyone else who you did call out there. That was, yeah. That was crazy times. Mnabisa Pinyana, Uti, oh man, Putsuko had us going crazy that day. Never been so proud of a stranger. Well done, Puti. Thank you for starting and finishing your impossible. You showed us what's possible when you believe in yourself. So on that note, I've signed up for my first half marathon. Let's go! Not comrades yet. Dog, it don't matter, bro. It's a half marathon. But it's a start. I've been comfortable doing 10 kilometers. It's time to move it to the next level. Anyways, thanks for another great episode. Dinitanda Sky Size. Nwara, shout out, bro. Please let us know how it goes. Which is it? The funny details, Fontini.
Yes, picture me, but
yes, correct. Yeah, no, for sure. That's super dope, man. Yeah, on all the best for it. If you can do 10, you can do 21. So it's as good as done. Shout out. What?
I'm having such a hard time running.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I
went Diamba kancinci. This is my whole chat.
What's the hard part?
The hard part is continuing when my brain says stop.
Okay. How fast are you running? Oh, when your brain is saying stop, not your body.
No, my body's fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's my mind.
Repetition will help you there.
Intention?
Repetition.
Doing it over and over. Yeah. Anyway. Uti Unandi Mila. I'm still interested in the Cinderella story without Ezuko. After Comrades Marathon twist. Well done, Zuko Senior.
Zuko Senior, the legend. The man himself. Oh, it's top dog, Gela. Zuko Senior.
I can't believe someone called you that.
What do you mean? Oh, what do you?
Because you always call yourself.
Yeah. Now get on the train, T-bag.
Teabag?
Yeah, no, like
Nandi. Look what you started. Well done. Thanks for that.
Little baby, uthi molweni brings the country. I haven't even listened to the episode, but indlela eyayindigowisa ngayo indaba kaDamzubela. I saw him at 42 Ks. Cover fresh. And after that, I saw Sister Lita Noyoli on your way to 60 kilometers. The last 5 kilometers stressed me so much. I kept calling my friends to track him while I was waiting for him at the finish line. And when I saw him, I was like, Ngosi Bao. Ngoba, I just wanted Ipura to finish and get the medal. I must say, second in Comrades is stressful and tiring. But isn't it also fun, guys?
Of course.
Nah?
There's definitely fun parts. There's definitely stressful parts. There's definitely tiring parts. It's a whole thing.
Yeah, I can imagine how tiring it must be, guys. You're out the whole day, regardless of what you're doing.
No, exactly.
Shout out.
It's intense. Absolutely intense.
Yeah, no, thank you so much, Legal One, man. Yo, askis man get stress I can't apologize enough. Nam benina stress but yeah, no, shout out. Thanks be to God nyan funding for sikwazi. So okay. No. Shabulela bafethu.
Oh, thank you, my babes. Uthi uThembelihle Stungu. Congrats, Booty. Niyasinceda guys kakhulu and nidlala indima enkulu to our families.
Hence our surname.
Hello. Nisifundisa uthandana as siblings, nisifundisa ukuncekelela nokuzethemba ebomini. Singabanye sibona umahluko omkhulu kubantu esingabo just ngofunda apha. Please guys, don't drop the mic. You're building old and young people who lost hope long time ago. Salute to you all who made sure that we get this medal as the Jan of the Run Nation. You guys really following the meaning of your surname. Nidlala indima enkulu bondima ubantwana bakaThixo. Kodwa andiyazi nindikhaliselani ngosibalisela uba benikhala on the finishing line.
In short, ngamafutshane benikhalela ntoni?
Benifuna sinincedise nathi. Well, sikhalileke.
I hope you're happy. Oh wow, that's wild, man.
That's so funny.
Yo, what a beautiful comment, man. Thembelihle siyabulela kakhulu, man. Yo, that middle section yale comment mjana, yeah.
It's so scary though, like I guess we just don't think of the influence that we have at all, actually.
Yeah.
And so when someone writes it, you're like, oh, people have given up hope. Oh no. It just feels like such a heavy thing to do, but it's cool that we don't do it for that. Do you know what I mean? Because I feel like then it would feel heavier.
For sure.
Yeah.
No, shout out to them.
Yeah, but every time I read something cool about our podcast, I'm always just like, what's happening?
Yeah.
It's a lot.
Siyabulela man, siyabulela singondima. Yendima uyithe wayithatha nawe nenxaxheba yoba usibhalele ngolo hlobo. Siyabulela nge-tears of joy ke uthe wasijoyina kuzo. Peteho Jennifer Moleleki uthi Zuko is talking about preventative measures for his feet. Yaz na ndoyika isoiling betuna. How do we prevent that? Come on guys. You can't, you know, you don't, it's life. It's a natural, your body's natural response to certain things, to external stimulus. So, look, I mean, it also depends. I know one thing that I do. Ukwenzela uba ndingabinayo need yoba ndifuna uya etoilet is tya Imodium in the morning. You understand? But ke I mean sazazi izisu bafethu basoloko zinantsika zibehavior. Susakho xa sizixelela uba bura jonga ziyakhala ngoku. Ziyakhala, so there's nothing we can really do about that. So unfortunately I don't have any tricks there.
But Imodium you can try.
Anditsho ndithetha ngam.
Bakaloku you can try.
Utsho uthalile. Okanye umise uye toilet.
Yes, also there's toilets.
Nami ngazomisa kusitwa gogo 2.3 million endlini leyo ngaphambili. Forget about me stopping. No ways. Oh no ways. Noma ngana 300,000 lisecaleni. In fact, yeah, don't try. Yo, Baba will try. Yo. No. So, okay. Come on, Bonnie. Yeah, so I a list of my problems.
You got 2 million in your bank account.
When I bangajo go.
Good
soiler.
Yo, bro, what? How is that even a question? You just said the same thing. Oh my gosh, no.
Yeah, no. Hustler spirit. You can't kill hustler spirit for this.
Abahlali bane jokes. Oh, and azizupel. I'm sure la chempu zaphela kudala jokes abantu abamnyama. Oh, bazokuthini sana? Nyaka wonke.
I don't care a damn. Yeah, you made Now you can say whatever you want to say. Whoa.
All right, fine. We know what you want. Uthi Sisipho setu Ashimba. I've watched all 138 episodes.
Let's go.
Crazy. And this was the one that made me cry the most. Zuko was literally going, congratulations to us all because
Efandini udunywa kokwenu ngemali izogcilela abayiya evasithi wena ufika evasithi evasithi kubhala ikhosi eyi-1 uyibhale lo course uyitshone awuthini fethu ebantwini uzawuthini fethu andonane-understanda nina lewe you khona besithembele ngawe efonini like kukho abantu yiwa no my chance.
Congratulations to us all because the emotional roller coaster we experienced while
so congrats for ukwela roller coaster nina.
We didn't sign up to ukwela roller coaster. Bes yokwela i-teacups nina.
And yokwela pony.
Next thing you know, we're on the dragon.
Minus revenge.
Talisa, you're such a cool sister. Thank you. I ukho ngathi singamenzela noba
hayi kuyafuneka jonga sawufaka account number yami yabo
yakho
kaloku ndakwenza ibray kaloku coach andifuna tax we
tax ebani wena what's already here
ewe tenza kwenza ibray yo afuna ukwenzelwa ibray nyani coach guys.
Oh salalam, okay.
Yeah,
he's a superhero, absolutely.
Afuna noba lecala legosha sana yo. Alike yedwa.
Hayibo.
Sokwazi makubekutya wonke.
How many people are coming to this bride?
Doesn't matter uvancala coach. Not like
Sana sendweni. Thank you Sisipho.
Thabo Momoti uthi well done Tamzupela Khutmani. I got cut off before party shots. Oh, I'm definitely redeeming myself next year for Shizi. Go out and get it, man. You're such an inspiration. Buddha Polile Khutmani, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it, man. Athi kakaban bakhade off party shots ba kuya udlule Khutmani because yeah. But to get to Polly Shots, bro.
How many kilometers is
79. Polly Shots.
Oh!
79.
Oh no.
Funny. But you must have had a really, really tough day out as well.
Yeah, for sure.
But again, shout out. And yeah, for me, you know what? I respect Umdo so much who's gonna get cut off. Because there's a certain point where you're just like, and then you stop. Like, for example, that's what I did last year. I stopped. I made the cutoff, and then I stopped afterwards, right? Because I was just mentally, I was just like, no, what I'm not going to do is chase cutoffs. But guys who will push all the way to the cutoff, man, and they're too little. So that's a heart of a lion. And yeah, Spalama corrections next year, you know the story. Sorry. Pala ama corrections. Diwavalilo ama correction. Over to you. Palama corrections Rotmani. And over to you. We'll be there on the sidelines, man. So yeah, all the best.
Yeah, I don't know. Mental strength, you train one.
Yeah.
You train one.
Like anything else.
Just keep doing it.
Repeat. Consistency. Mental strength, you train the same way. The things are the same now. Application is funny. Otherwise, at its core, it's all the same. Principle one. Anything of unuyenza, consistency. repetition, and then you're tired of repeating something, then you'll be consistent. Then you're and from the break from consistent. One more rep. No, usikube ngathi used ke wena tathe sinyiwe ngathi uzawucelwa because mentally things are like hard nyan and I get it ubuqome impossible but it's not. This is the whole gag. It's just not ayikho impossible cha ke funeka uziqhelise cha. So just by doing hard things, not saying no to things, keep on thing. One of the tricks that I use, I'll literally check. And I used to, when I started running, I used to check. Wow, okay, cool. Econoland ET, stop. And I'm like, trying to figure out, okay, cool, what's wrong? How do your legs feel? Legs feel fine. Oh, okay, cool. How does your body feel? Body feels fine. Cool. How's your breathing? Breathing's fine. No. Then what is it? Le itiega. Suyega and you have to knocking that door down, knocking those doors down. And eventually you get there, man. But it's repetition, mate. Repetition.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Well, I was running at gym this morning and I was like, at 2 kilometers, I was like, enough, AC enough. Then I was thinking about you and I was like, if I was running the confidence at 2 kilometers, did I? Of course I won't, but I was just like, it's absolutely insane. It's an insane thing to do to yourself but you've practiced though also. This is the thing. You don't just rock up. You don't just one day decide, okay, so 80 kilometers. Because you've had to train and all of that, but I was just like, amount of training I need, bro. And no baleki comrades. I don't even want to run a marathon.
Yeah, often just repetition, man. Just repetition. So that when you need to call up on it, you know the switch to flick. Yeah.
Fair. Uthi umihle sokupa the chills I had the entire time watching this episode. I tracked you both last year and this year. But Sana, this year was such an emotional experience. You really did not do it for yourself alone, but us as well. Healing all the doubts of giving up when things don't go our way the first time. Usibonisile uba wayenyanisile uMandoza. I love it. This is your kind of thing. This is speaking directly to you. Congratulations.
Shout out.
Again, Gyan on the run. Oh, Betuna, I don't know how many times I've said this, Kuni no Babini. Thank you for sharing your life experiences with us.
Siyabulela cool, man. Thanks, Misha. Thanks so much. I love the Mandoza reference. I guess goes without saying.
Of course you do.
Yeah, man. Yo, I'm just thinking to myself, Kayando trekum the funding. If you have a land kilometers busy seat, I slow Galando. How long is a 12-hour day, mate?
For you to be tracking a person. Oh,
yo.
12 hours,
Hi, guys. Don't respect them, man. Don't respect them more than anything else, Buffett. You guys killed it, man.
Thank you, Mishle.
Yeah, ingaske bafaki nantsika pha xa uba man betrek ukwazi ubabona xa betrek pha. Uvulela app video. And then ukuvele ifaces abantu bonke fonini. Then mhlawumbe faka 200 then iface yakhe izabangula kwazi uthetha na.
So predictable, but I didn't see that one coming.
Sana like the cool. Yo, Zuko. We were chopping onions this side. I'm listening to this at work on headphones and I'm That's so funny. That's so funny. I'm listening to this at work on headphones and I'm hoping no one makes me do eye contact because what? Congratulations, Butomtala. Thanks so much. You are honestly such an inspiration to all of us, bruh. I'm proud of you. I've honestly listened to this episode more than 5 times. Started on Spotify because of the hope it gives me. Uguti, there's an end to this race. PhD in my case. Woo! Thank you, F-Ban. Thank you, F10. I'm hoping this is my final year, 4th year, because I also don't want to do this again next year. Yeah, Mazgela, I don't want to do this next year. Sure. The way you narrate your challenges and the support you got building up to your finish line, because that's how it's been for me too. Emphasis on challenges. I felt that my coach is coming, don't worry. So deep in my heart, because I know exactly how you felt, that your people got you no matter what. Oh man. Yo. Yeah, ne? All the best in your journey, man. Should I say doc?
Sure, doc.
Dare I say doc, because it's coming, you know what I mean? Yeah, no, look, shucks, man. I love that you've been able to like draw so many similarities. You know, we think that our experiences sometimes are just unique to us, but and I said it earlier on again, principles are the same. The application and I'm so glad that we can have a chance to also be able to bond around those principles. So no, hold on, man. Hold on. You're almost there, Doc. It's almost your time, man. And we look forward to seeing your comment when you do make it.
Yes, please tell us.
Please do tell us. Man.
Party.
No, siyakwazi uzibehave. Nam dinesiso sentaka. Yeah, but all the best, man, and thank you so much for this comment, man. Ne picture akubukela podcast umntu don't would go sit. Yeah, umoshe what too fast it. Now, my thing is now you have to explain.
Yeah, exactly. What's wrong? Because obviously the thing to say is what's wrong?
What a long story.
I'll just say I'll send you the link.
No, but you must remember Baka Kariswai link in his
in her life.
Yes.
Yeah.
In their lives.
Okay.
So yeah, and they asked for it. Yeah, I know. But get shout out as long as we have Pagwang. Also, it's not the worst thing to be fasted.
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sanele. Uti umisiwe Judy Sangweni. Congratulations, Dam Zupela. My uncle also ran the Comrades.
Ah, champ.
He's an avid Comrades runner. Saye kanomkhap.
And yes, I know Jopa. You know, many business fefa over me, and then you qualify and go to Gombaleg.
Uyaziela. My family from my mother's side, including myself, CZ athletes, or rather, CZ athletes, more sprinting. Nah, I don't enjoy long distance running, and no longer. Congrats again, Puti. The entourage Yako played a role in you getting to the finish line.
Mama made it, who'd have thought, and whole entourage just for me. Shout out, thank you so much, Judy. Yeah, Angela ask. Yeah, Tasaye, kanomkhava. Angela vela dlule bayaka nakwelo kheo. Abethi akade mnandi. Ah, it must be so whack supporting the top runners. Yeah. I also sorry, the top runner, like Central, it must be so whack, like supporting like elites. Because those people are just speeding through, bro.
Yeah.
Umbona lam umbona for vibes wena banje ba umbone wena.
Yeah.
Ngibona yena.
For sure. Yeah. Do you see the oldest person to run?
Yeah, 84 at time.
Dude.
Rockstar.
Oh.
Rockstar.
Just out here beating his own records.
But you can't know him not 22 for you the Congress. But long well on the
Thank you, Misiwe.
Sponile Tobeka. One of my colleagues ran and finished the race, and he was talking us through the whole experience, and I was like, "What?" I can commit to doing difficult stuff just for my personal growth, but comrades is not one of them. I do have a question for Zuko though. Not to be dramatic or funny. Really, I just want to know, had Zuko had the stomach issue like the winner, was he going to continue the race?
Yes.
If I was the winner. And importantly, I give my flowers to Sister Talita for being a supportive sister. That was not easy at all, but you did it, sis. Super proud of you.
Thank you.
No, if I had the same problem as the winner, bendizawumisa. Nanzike, ndizikhulule.
Then ungawini.
No, kaloku le nto issue like the winner. So issue a winner. Oh, akuthethwa ngoba I'm not the winner now. I'm just Zuko. Ndibaleke ndibe nesisu.
Yes, but you're about to win.
Hayi guys, isisu asiyekisi ubaleka. Let's get one thing straight. Isisu asiyekisi ubaleka. So whether I was the winner or not the winner, if bebendingeyo winner, bendizawumisa ecaleni kwendlela. Then you understand? And then but babe ndiyiwina cha hayi sendiyiphendulile le. Yeah.
Nazo-ke.
Hayi ke.
Siyabonga Sibonile.
Yeah.
Uthi for desire. Guys, nidumile. Naziwa na obscure corners.
Hi, kupap.
I was getting my hair done by a student in Durban and she spoke of indlela anithanda ngayo. She even admitted that akasazi ncam isiXhosa, but listen, because you're so warm.
Dope, man.
Oh, that's so
That's
cute.
super cool.
I love that.
Utheni uzenzabe nwele wena yazi obscure corner.
What is now here going on? Thank you so much. I hope she sees this also. Hi.
For sure. What's good?
Thanks for desire.
Accounting mates. Fanele niphinde bengu A+. Profile picture. Tutam Zubela wanted to brag like you about running a comrades as well. I just told my mom, Uba, I want to try, and the distance is more than Usuka East London CBD to KWT King Lemstown. Uti, I should just keep in mind by medical aid. Yandi keep.
Medical aid or late. You're gonna sat breathe.
Yeah, by accounting. What a fitting last comment. Buddha, all I'm saying is that prove your mom wrong, man.
Hey, which one?
You know, she can be your mom, but she can also be your hater. Jokes. No, come on. Look, don't do it to brag, mate.
No.
Don't do it to brag is all I can tell
do
you.
It for
because
yourself,
bragging, iyaphela pako 50Ks. Abakuxhomela ngezinye izinto. Once it over 60Ks. Hey, you need a real deep reason why. Imagine yourself ngokusuka eMonti town. But by the time udlule for 4 checks in inyawo. I-bragging iyaphelelwa. I'm not saying diyabreka but send break sona mba ke ayizonga break yala but i-bragging cannot be your motivation. Uzolenza ixesha uzawuthi ufike eBerlin uqome I wish bekusebhegini apha ubufuna uzifaka ematyholweni ungqengqe pha. But yeah, no, definitely. I highly recommend. Look, it's gonna change you, mate. I can tell you.
It's definitely gonna change you for sure.
Yeah.
But try it, bro.
Yeah.
Don't do it for bragging, bro. Do it for you.
Yeah, no, do it for you.
Personal development.
Yeah, correct. But you will still get to brag at the end of it all.
Yeah, and you'll get to brag, but don't let that not be your primary reason.
For sure.
Because I'm a reason because your brain goes,
yeah, that's okay.
Then it's over for you, bro.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining us once again on this show that we all love so much. It's growing so much. Thank you guys so much for putting so much love and effort into isho yenu. Pof.
Yeah, no, 100%. La itse bafanas. Le di girls. La gore dancer.
Sure, re tlo le bona next week ge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see, but on that note, re ka ufela, hamonati ka ufela.
Sharp Sinto.
Bye. Please write it in the comments. I want to see who's a real one here.
The Bling
Line.